rock it, fling it, thump it, baby why not? Make the jiggle when she jump, jump, jump. Rock it, fling it, thump it, baby why not? Make the jiggle when she jump, jump, jump. Baby girl, take your time, modify when you whine me. Baby girl.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Basically, I'm going to get my hair done, right? So I thought, let me just vlog it. So that's literally what I'm gonna do. Can I have my keys, please? So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna vlog getting my hair done. Right now, my hair is like literally in the puff thingy. I don't know if you guys can even, yeah. But I'm gonna go and get cameras by some lovely girl that I know. Yeah, I'm with my sister. We're both getting our hair done. So yeah, stay tuned. You know what I mean? Obviously, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that's on period. This is the it's like my YouTube.
You're not gonna be there. Them never know us, so we on to the next one. Them never know us, so we bout the detention. Me girl give me say she want me attention. Me too busy for the love and affection. She get a call, she not answer her ex-man. Inna the corner, she want, she so special. Every girl have a way. Different girl, different day of the way. Say she freaky, she fi teach me. And she say she have a man, girl, you fi leave him. Anybody when me have, girl, you fi eat it. I say free, say cool down, free. I me say boom, panny body, pan body, you broke it off. She say Jay, cause me love you, me love you bad. Hey, say she want see me, can't see me, she going mad. And I say she want shoes, and I say she want back. Let me hold you, girl, don't watch nobody. You got me going crazy, you turn me on.
It's feet kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you a must see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
My baby, my sweetie, my baby, my lover. Your hair and face, it be so unfleet. My baby got style and it's all for me. But she wants a boy who they chop money. But she wants a guy who they pop molly. She wants a guy who they chase his dreams. So tonight, let's make his story. Get your body, mega dance like this. Get your body, mega dance like this. Now sucky, make you move like this. See your loving, they make her fall for you. Wanna take your hand and be a man, so let me love you. And there's nobody else, now it's only you. The way girl you mine, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Say you are my woman, my superwoman. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Dance for me now, break down, make you dance for me now. Body make you dance for me now. Shake body make you dance for me now. Dance for me now, break down, make you dance for me now. Body make you dance for me now.
DJ Zaydes.
Camera died. Okay, look, I look so dark, but my camera died. I've literally got my hair done. I'm fucking happy because taking care of natural hair is actually very, very long. I can't lie to you. But right now I'm waiting for my friend. I'm gonna go pick up something real quick, then we're gonna go back and get my sister, so stay tuned. So basically I'm gonna end the vlog here. We got our hair did by a hair clinic. All the details will be down below, and that's on period. Obviously my camera died, so I really couldn't finish the ending of the me getting my hair done, which was a kind of a flop. Yeah, but I do hope you liked it, you know. I am gonna insert like pictures of and videos that they took for obviously like their page and stuff. But niggas, fresh trim, clear skin, ain't nobody can chat to me now. Talk to me nice. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy, even though my forehead looks large. But you know what, embrace your large foreheads. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget obviously to like, comment and subscribe to your girl's channel. Bye.
In check, shit, in my feelings again. You got me doing this and let me tell you again.